1. Which state, union territory government has launched Mahila Samriddhi Yojana? A. Jharkhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. New Delhi. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is option C. New Delhi. 2. Which space agency has launched Lexi mission to study to Earth's magnetic cover from the moon? A. NASA. B. ISRO. C. JAVA. D. CASA. Correct answer is option A. NASA. 3. The cultural center in Jaffna of which country has been renamed as Thiruvallur Cultural Center? A. Dr. Mayank Sharma. B. S.G. Dastidar. C. Rajkumar Arora. D. Sajata Dastidar. Correct answer is option A. Dr. Mayank Sharma. 4. Researchers from which Indian institute has developed an injectable hydrogel for localized cancer treatment? A. IIT Guwahati. B. IIT Delhi. C. IIT Madras. D. IIT Bombay. Correct answer is option A. IIT Guwahati. 5. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? A. Kuldeep Singh. B. Vikash Lekhara. C. Satish Tripathi. D. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Correct answer is option D. Gyanendra Pratap Singh. 6. Who has been awarded the Best Film Award at the 25th International Indian Film Academy Awards, IIFAA, 2025? A. Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. B. Female 2. C. Kill. D. Lapata Ladies. Correct answer is option D. Lapata Ladies. 7. In which state has India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility been started? A. Sikkim. B. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option D. Andhra Pradesh. 8. Who has been appointed as the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force in April 2025? A. Vivek Ram Chaudhary. B. Narmadeshwar Tiwari. C. Harjeet Singh Arora. D. Balabhadra Rawat. Correct answer is option B. Narmadeshwar Tiwari. 9. Rajnath Singh has become the first Defence Minister to visit the Indian Air Force's Institute of Aerospace Medicine, Inc. Where is it located? A. Pune, Maharashtra. B. Hyderabad, Telangana. C. Bengaluru, Karnataka. D. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option C. Bengaluru, Karnataka. 10. In August 2025, India received the 16th and final Airbus C-295 MW military transport aircraft from which country? A. France. B. Spain. C. United States. D. Russia. Correct answer is option B. Spain. 11. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Australian tourism campaign in August 2025? A. Virat Kohli. B. Priyanka Chopra. C. Sara Tendulkar. D. Alia Bhatt. Correct answer is option C. Sara Tendulkar. 12. Which country will host the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? A. Mauritius. B. Jamaica. C. Malta. D. Canada. Correct answer is option C. Malta. 13. When is No Smoking Day 2025 celebrated? A. The 8th of March. B. The 12th of March. C. The 9th of March. D. The 11th of March. Correct answer is option B. The 12th of March. 14. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman and Managing Director, CMD, of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL? A. Vikas Kaushal. B. Kushal Kumar Joshi. C. M.K. Surana. D. S. Bhardwaj. Correct answer is option A. Vikas Kaushal. 15. Who has won the title of Copa del Rey Cup 2025? A. Sevilla. B. FC Barcelona. C. Real Madrid. D. Atletico Madrid. Correct answer is option B. FC Barcelona. 16. Where has the GRIDCON 2025 FEAT International Conference been organized to strengthen India's power grid? A. Beijing, China. B. Tokyo, Japan. C. Paris, France. D. New Delhi, India. Correct answer is option D. New Delhi, India. 17. Where has Shashwat Mithila Mahotsav 2025 been organized? A. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. B. Patna, Bihar. C. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. D. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option A. Gandhinagar, Gujarat. 18. Which country has abolished the death penalty in January 2025? A. Zimbabwe. B. Iraq. C. Kuwait. D. Haiti. Correct answer is option A. Zimbabwe. 19. With which country has India signed a $248 million deal to upgrade T-72 tank engine? Which country has launched the world's first 300 MW compressed air energy storage plant, Nengyehu 1? A. China. B. India. C. Russia. D. America. Correct answer is option A. China. 21. Who has been awarded the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize 2025 by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation? A. Subhash Singh. B. Urbasi Sinha. C. Narayan Das. D. Prabha Atre. Correct answer is option B. Urbasi Sinha. 22. Which country has honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its National Honor Officer of the Order of the Star? A. Kenya. B. Nigeria. C. Ghana. D. Ethiopia. Correct answer is option C. Ghana. 23. When is Penguin Awareness Day 2025 FEAT celebrated? A. The 20th of January. B. The 22nd of January. C. The 19th of January. D. The 18th of January. Correct answer is option A. The 20th of January. 24. Which team has won the World Championship of Legend WCL 2025 title in August 2025? A. Pakistan champions. B. India champions. C. England champion. D. South Africa champions. Correct answer is option D. South Africa champions. 25. Who inaugurated India's largest and first 3 MWh capacity vanadium redox flow battery VRFB system? A. Narendra Modi. B. Manohar Lal. C. Amit Shah. D. Rahul Gandhi. Correct answer is option B. Manohar Lal. 26. Which country has India recently signed a submarine search and rescue cooperation agreement with? A. Vietnam. B. Japan. C. China. D. USA. Correct answer is option A. Vietnam. 27. Who has been elected as the president of Organisation Internationale des Constructeurs d'Automobiles, OICA? A. Shailesh Chandra. B. Narendra Modi. C. Amit Shah. D. Rahul Gandhi. Correct answer is option A. Shailesh Chandra. 28. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO? A. S. Somanath. B. K. 7. C. Narendra Modi. D. Amit Shah. Correct answer is option A. S. Somanath. 29. Which Indian state has launched the Chief Minister's Sashakt Kisan Yojana? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Rajasthan. D. Haryana. Correct answer is option D. Haryana. 30. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of the Indian Olympic Association (IOA)? A. Rahul Dravid. B. Sachin Tendulkar. C. Suresh K. Verma. D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Suresh K. Verma.